For me, this is one of the proof that she never deserves the presidency. Kasi gusto niya lang maging presidente pag convenient sa kanya yung mga bagay-bagay. Alam naman niya na from the start, maraming problema ang Pilipinas. Magulo ang Pilipinas. That's why you are there to lead. Ngayon, nakita mong magulo, mahirap, aayawan mo. Because you are now in a comfortable position. You could run for what? 2 terms sa mayor. But you chose not to run with presidency. Why? Because alam mo sa sarili mo, mababa yung chance mo ngayon. Diba? Hindi ka pwedeng iangat ng mga kakampings noon because, again, hindi nila kayang ipapanalo yung candidacy mo noon, much more now. Given with that kind of attitude too. Alam mo yung isa sa gusto kong maging qualities ng next leader ng Pilipinas is someone who has an iron will para ipatupad kung ano yung tama. Hindi lang sila presidente pag maayos ang mga bagay-bagay, but they can manage the whole country.
This is Pinoy Extreme.